What's up, guys? Alright, here's the Arapuca bird trap, and here's a quail in here. It didn't have all these rocks on it to begin with, it just had a couple. I went ahead and put those on there just to make sure that it can't get out right now, since it is panicking and trying to squeeze through. So I'm going to go ahead and dispatch it right now and show you how that's done. I'm using my pellet gun, Crosman 1322. Let's do it here. And that's pretty much all it takes. See, it stuck its head out there, and it's over. I did one time, there's another trap right there, that's what they look like when they're set. But I did one time have a bird escape through the slats, squeeze through, and got squirted out on me. So I always make sure that when I first come here and they start panicking, that I put some rocks on there and make sure they can't get out. So that's a female quail. Not sure where I shot it. It's like a pretty decent sized one. And these Arapuca cages have been doing pretty good for me. Getting some pretty consistent catches out of them. So I'll go ahead and set it here, show you how I do it. There's our stick, and there's our lever, stick, and toggle. I've got a rock back here which holds the trigger stick. You just adjust that to the right angle. Come up a little further. You can see it's kind of off at an angle, but it really doesn't matter as long as it holds. And then let's take some bird seed. Let's throw it under like that. That's about all it takes. And you're all set. Ready for the next one. take this thing home and I'll skin it out and eat it for dinner. That's pretty much it on this video, guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.